Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Virgos, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Virgos, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's see what are these cards. We have Prince of Suns, Six of Moons in reverse, and Postulant of Stars in reverse. So, Virgos, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship, guys. You are thinking about your past, guys. Maybe you are brooding over the past, just wishing things were different, and you are not seeing what is there in present, and you are not concerned about your future. You are just wishing that things were different in the past, and you are, what to say, living your life based on things from your past. You are simply crying, or you are still not, you just don't want to move on with your life today, guys. And simply brooding over the past is not going to help you in any way, guys. Maybe past will hurt us, past has hurt us a lot, and we feel that we cannot move on. But that experience, with that experience, we must remember only the lessons, guys, but we should not go over that story again and again. It is simply going to drain us, make us feel really negative in our life today, because there are opportunities in your life today right in front of you. So if you want to grab that, Virgos, you have to let go of your past and move on with your life today, guys. And I also see that in your situation today, maybe you are thinking too much about your past and you are not ready, you are simply scared, you are being too precautious about certain things. Maybe there is someone interested in you, coming towards you, and they want a relationship with you. And maybe your past has hurt you so much, you are not willing to take that step towards this new relationship, guys. So, Virgos, you need to let go of your past and move on, guys, if you want changes in your life today. And you feel that you need to change, you are trying your best, you are trying hard, you are trying to inspire yourself, but you are unable to do that. But there are some unexpected changes, guys. Something is going to change the way you are today. Maybe this sadness and tears are simply going to vanish for you all, Virgos, and I see a positive change coming in your life, embracing you. So that is the reading with these cards, Virgos. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. We have two cards here, so you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So this is your first card and this is your second card, guys, and I will start with the first card. So let's close our eyes for a few seconds, meditate, and I will start the reading with the first card, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with this card. Let's see what it is. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, what is the card? It is Gretel. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your life, in your past, maybe for some of you, you have gone through a lot of traumatic situations Maybe the elders in your family, they have let you down, they were not quite responsible, and their attitude has affected your life. And whatever you have faced, your challenges, or whatever the traumatic situations you have faced in your life in your childhood years, it has simply made you much more stronger and courageous. And your story is an inspiration. You need not feel shy, or you need not fear. You are someone who's very courageous and strong under difficult circumstances, and you are someone who helps others, who help people, and you are a true defender of friends and family. So it is time you inspire the younger generation with your stories, with your ideas, or how to deal with the problems they are facing right now in their life. And you need to you work well as a team, guys, maybe in your work or in your life, in your family. You are a great person to be with. You have beautiful communication skills. You are quick thinking, protective, and you are someone who is supportive and very resourceful. So the people around you, they find you a very good person to be with, and your abilities and strategies, you can talk about it to the younger generation, whomever you are in contact with today, guys, because your stories are simply going to inspire them today in their life, and your strength and courage. So you are moving on, you have moved on from your past. Maybe something happened, maybe if it is something to do with your relationship, you have moved on from a traumatic relationship, and you have come out as a strong person. And this courage is going to inspire the person you meet now, and they will feel, maybe you will feel that true connection and communication with this person, guys. You need not worry. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we have round and round. So again, a beautiful card here. So this just means that in your situation today, guys, you just feel that you have come back to that same spot again. And how did you get here? You are simply wondering how things are going in the same way again now, and how to deal with this present situation. So you need to understand that you are here in this particular situation with a particular type of a person, because it is the spirit's plan for your evolution, guys. That is the reason you have circled back to this accustomed spot in your life today. So this time around, you will know what you need to do differently, maybe respond differently now, or behave differently, because you know from your past experience what was your response and what was that experience and what you have learned from it. So you need to let go of that blame game, remain curious now to learn any new changes or any new experiences that are coming today, and you need to respond differently, so that way you will not come back to the same spot again in your life, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So maybe in your relationship you are having similar problems like the past, maybe like the past experiences. So if you respond differently, you are going to break this cycle today, guys. So that is the energy. So you will be able to find a better person who will be with whom you will be able to connect better and have a beautiful relationship. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. With the two cards, we saw such a beautiful reading. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like the reading. If you like, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestion, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.